Are you really concerned about your aim in life? How to face modern day challenges, your spiritual empowerment, your identity and personality? Are you struggling and finding difficult to overcome stress, anxiety, and depression? Do not worry, we have got you. Bintul Muslim Council is here with a way out for all these problems. Yes, you heard me right. Bintul Muslim Council had embarked on this beautiful journey 3 years ago, and now, Alhamdulillah, Bintul Muslim Council has successfully accomplished its 3 years by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and by your support. In this regard, it presents to you a 3 days grand workshop that will take place on 9th, 10th, and 11th of February. You'll get to learn and know a lot in these 3 days, and it will definitely change your perception about you facing a dead end. The fact that this workshop is totally free of cost must be appreciated, and you won't have to attend boring lectures. It is going to be total fun. I, Shafoon Shah from Kashmir, wholeheartedly invites all my dear sisters from North India to take part in this wonderful workshop and spread the word to your friends and relatives.